Hey, it's Kylie with WTI. So if you're looking for a super comfortable pair of joggers, then you do not need to search any further, and you should definitely check out these women's jogger pants from Santiny. So I work out quite a bit at home, doing Pilates or walking and running on my treadmill, and these joggers are a great addition to my workout gear. So these joggers are super soft and they're very breathable. The material is lightweight and I feel like I can move really well in them. Even when I'm sweating, they don't overheat. The elastic waist is really nice with this drawstring. It helps to ensure the pants stay in place. The overall look is very sporty. I'm wearing a size medium and I'm 5'6", about 140 pounds, and I feel like this size fits me really well. It's not too loose and not too tight. Most of all, I love how versatile these pants are. They come in a ton of different colors, and not only can I wear them while I'm working out, but they're really comfortable and stylish enough to wear even out running errands or just lounging around at home. Finally, I love the deep pockets on these pants. I can fit my full phone in here, no problem. So if you're looking for some new workout clothing, I would suggest checking out these super comfortable women's joggers pants from Santiny. And that's my point of view.